No justice, no Jeeps. No justice, no Jeeps.
We've never been this energized, getting people together like this. This is after work. You know, usually after work we're rushing to get home. We'll spend time with the kids or cut the grass or, you know, try to go grab a bite to eat. And we're like, you know what? We're going to come to this rally and show some support for everybody who's already on the strike lines.
Out here to demonstrate and practice picket for things that may have to come in the future. Hopefully we can have a contract accepted by then, and the company comes forth with meeting some of our expectations. We just trust our leadership that they'll negotiate a good contract that's acceptable for everybody.
President Sean Fain. His story of his grandfather and his check, and that he worked at the UAW, so he has history. He understands the fight and how strong they used to be, you know, before us.
Mentally and emotionally, you got your ups and downs like anything, but it's all been a positive attitude. We're ready to fight. It's kind of the breaking point, in my opinion, for a whole generation. 15 years of concessions before I even got hired in. They gutted a half a generation already. I don't have a pension. I don't have health care. I can't retire. I have no path to retirement. If I do my 30 years like my grandpa did, I basically have to quit. The American dream was the American dream because of work. Right now it's the American dream because you have to be asleep to believe it's turning into the American nightmare if we're not careful.